everyone! Welcome back!
Hello, hello. We're so happy you're here.
Today we are talking about something very small,
Very tiny.
but very powerful.
Yes. Three small words that cause big problems.
A, an, and the.
Oh, yes.
I feel nervous already,
Why nervous?
because I studied English for years. And sometimes I still say, I spoke to manager.
Ah, you forgot something.
Yes, the manager, not manager.
And that small word changes everything
Why are these words so difficult? They're so small.
because they don't exist in many languages.
That's true.
And adults often ignore them.
Yes, I focus on vocabulary. Big words. Important words.
But sometimes small words make your English sound more natural.
So today, we fix this problem.
Yes, slowly, clearly, no stress,
And no complicated grammar rules.
simple explanations only.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's start with a real situation. You're at work, you walk into the office, you say,
I spoke to manager.
and your colleague looks at you like, which manager?
Oh, right.
You mean the manager.
Yes, the manager.
Let's understand this. When you say the manager, you mean a specific person.
Specific means clear, known.
Exactly. Both people know which manager.
In my office, there is only one manager.
Perfect example. So you say, I spoke to the manager. Now imagine this situation. You walk into a meeting. You say, I met a client today.
Okay.
Your colleague asks, how was the client?
Ah. First time, a client. Second time, the client.
Exactly. First time equals not specific yet. Second time equals now we both know.
Can we try another example?
Of course, you go to a restaurant, you say,
I want burger.
no,
I know.
you need something before burger.
I want a burger.
Perfect. Why A?
Because I don't mean a specific burger, just one burger.
Yes, now imagine, the waiter brings food. There is only one burger on the table. You say, is this the burger?
Because now it's specific.
Exactly.
Okay. But what about an?
Good question. A and an are almost the same. The difference is pronunciation.
Ah, yes. Vowel sounds.
Exactly. Not vowel letters, vowel sounds. Use A before a consonant sound, a car, a book, a teacher. Use an before a vowel sound, an apple, an email, an hour.
Wait, an hour? There is an H?
Yes, but the H is silent. We say hour. It starts with a vowel sound, so we say an hour.
Sometimes I say, I have headache.
Ah, yes, and it should be I have a headache.
Why?
Because headache is a countable noun. You need A.
Countable means you can count it. One headache, two headaches.
Exactly.
Okay, this is where I get confused. Sometimes we use nothing, like, I go to work, not, I go to the work.
Yes, very important. We don't use the with work, school in general, breakfast, lunch, dinner, home.
So I say, I'm going home, not the home.
Correct.
Once I said, I am going to the home,
Oh no,
and my friend said, which home?
that's funny.
Yes, small word, big confusion. You know what's frustrating? I understand this rule now, but when I speak fast, I forget.
That's normal.
Really?
Yes, articles become automatic with practice, not with reading rules, with speaking.
So I need repetition.
Yes, like we said before, smart practice. Let's review some important words from today. One specific, clear, known. Example, the manager is specific.
Too general, not specific. Example, a manager means any manager.
3 vowel sound, a sound like a E, I, O, U.
4 consonant sound, all other sounds.
5 silent, not pronounced. Example, the H in hour.
6 countable, something you can count.
7 mention to say something. First mention a dog. Second mention the dog.
This is starting to feel simple.
Because it is simple, just practice.
Okay, everyone. Repeat after us. I saw a movie.
The movie was interesting.
I have a meeting.
The meeting starts at 9.
She is a teacher.
The teacher is very kind.
I need an email.
I will send the email tomorrow.
I have a headache.
I'm going home.
Not the home. You know what I learned today?
What?
These small words are not scary.
Exactly.
They just need awareness and practice.
Yes, and remember, if you forget sometimes, it's okay. Fluency first, perfection later.
That's important.
Speak, make mistakes, improve slowly.
And next time you say, I spoke to manager,
Stop.
and add, the manager. We'll continue practicing in the next part.
More examples, more real-life situations.
See you soon on English on Air.
Bye, everyone.
Okay. I have a confession.
Oh no, what happened?
After our last recording, I went to a cafe,
Good. Relaxing.
and I said, Can I have coffee? Then I froze. Should I say a coffee or just coffee?
Ah, real-life panic.
Yes, my brain was shouting, Article! Article!
This is what happens when you become aware of grammar.
Before this episode, I didn't even think about it.
And now you notice everything.
So tell me, was I correct?
Both can be correct.
What?
Yes. Coffee in general, no article, but a coffee means 1 cup of coffee.
Oh, that makes sense.
See, context matters.
Articles are small, but powerful.
Let's go back to work situations. You walk into a meeting. You say, I have a question. Why A?
Because it's one question, not specific yet.
Exactly. Now imagine the boss says, Is this the question you emailed me about?
Now it's specific. So, the.
Perfect. You're in a job interview. They ask, Why do you want this job? You answer, I'm looking for a job where I can grow.
General job, any good job.
Exactly. But later you say, I'm very excited about the job at your company.
Because now it's specific.
Yes, we both know which job.
What about this sentence? Life is beautiful. No article.
Correct, because life here is general. But if you say, the life in this city is fast, now you use the.
Because it's specific life. In this city.
Exactly.
I often hear learners say, the people are friendly. Is that correct?
It depends. If you mean people in general, no the. People are friendly. If you mean specific people, yes. The people in my office are friendly.
So, context again.
Always context. Let's imagine you say, I'm going to supermarket.
Oops, wrong.
Yes, it should be, I'm going to the supermarket.
Because it's a specific place.
Right? We both know what a supermarket is in our area. Now let's focus on something very important. 0 article.
Meaning nothing.
Yes. We say, I go to work, I go to school, I'm at home, I eat breakfast.
But we say, I'm at the office.
Yes, because office is a specific building.
What about countries?
Good question. We say, I live in France. Not the France, but the United States. Because it's a group of states.
Ah, that one confused me for years. You know what I realize? Articles are not random.
Exactly.
There is logic.
Yes, it's about, is it general? Is it specific? Is it the first time? Is it known?
That makes me feel calmer. Let's review important words. 1. Context. The situation around something.
2. Specific, clear and known.
3. General, not specific.
4. Interview, meeting for a job.
5. Building. Structure, like an office or school.
6. Aware, knowing something.
7. Automatic, without thinking.
8. Confession, admitting something.
When articles become automatic, speaking feels easier.
Exactly.
Repeat after us. I have a question.
The question is important.
I'm looking for a job.
The job is perfect for me.
I'm going to the supermarket.
I'm going home.
Life is beautiful.
The life in this city is busy.
I'd like a coffee.
The coffee is hot.
I feel different about articles now.
Different how?
Less afraid.
Good.
Before, I thought it was impossible.
It's not impossible, it's practice.
Small words. Big improvement.
Exactly.
To everyone listening, if you still make mistakes with a, an, and the,
You're normal.
you're learning.
And you're improving.
Articles don't become perfect overnight,
They become natural with repetition.
so speak slowly
Think about general versus specific.
and practice every day.
Even 5 minutes.
Thank you for learning with us.
And thank you for choosing to grow.
We'll see you in the next episode of English on Air.
Bye, everyone.